Hi, my YouTubers, my friends, the people I love here. This is a debut, kind of a first test drive of my new electric pan. Now you're probably saying, oh God, this girl with all these appliances, how many does she need? But this is a game changer for me. If you remember, looking at a few older videos, I haven't been in this corner because it was over here with the induction and fan made noise and all this other stuff. When I did the one pan meal, I got so excited because of the space and all of that. So I said, wow, I saw some people making food on YouTube with this, and I said, that would be like, it's excellent for me. So we're gonna give her a test drive. I'm gonna do something simple, nothing crazy. I'm gonna just do some chicken thighs with potato and onion. We're gonna put the onion and potatoes first, just like I did in the other big pan. I'm checking out the temperatures, what works. I really don't know. I have never cooked on one of these, so I really can't say. I have my onions and my potato chopped. Let's put them all in together. Okay, here's sizzle. That's on 250. So that's telling me something. Okay. I'm gauging here and learning. That's got a saute. Let me get a wooden spoon because this is non-stick. Natural non-stick, I believe. And this is the cover. Big, beautiful cover. We may want to make them steam. I have in the stove that I'm being mindful of my actual dinner to go with this. Lentil soup, chicken thighs, let me change, with potato and onion. Okay. I think it could take a little bit more heat. We're on 250, so I'm going to pump her up to 300. I love this. I love this. So far, so good. And you can see it. That's the main thing I really care about. I want you to see the food I'm cooking because that's the view for you, not me. You don't want to see me. I want you to see what I'm seeing when I'm cooking. The beautiful space, guys. I love this. I love this. I did an unboxing of it, so you get to see all the features. It's beautiful. It packs away compact, which I'm really digging. With my 70s lingo here, I'm really digging it. But I am. Oh, wow. Look at this. Hello. Let's swim in the pool. I can't do this at the stovetop in a regular pan. I can't. For me, this is a thrill. For you, you're like, oh, that's cumbersome. I don't like it. What's that big thing? No, for me, it really is a game changer. I'll make anything in here, and you'll see me. I'll grill my steaks in here. This is fabulous. I have a few recipes on the burner of my brain. I want to call it the burner of my brain. And I'm seeing, this is cool. I like this. I'm liking this a lot. I'm one cutting board down because, foolishly, I got rid of my old one that was 5 years old because I think you should change them every now and then. Now, this is going to sizzle a bit and we'll pause, but what I have in here are seasoned up boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which are my favorite. And I splurged a bit because these are from Small Farm. I got these at Whole Foods. Grown as promised on small family farms. Slow growing. La Belle Patrimoine. I don't know, that sounds French. I can't even help you with that one. La Belle, whatever. They're really nice. They're really expensive. Not really, because the 4 of them was 6 and change. And they're small, but they're gonna be good, and you want good, you know? For an extra, let's say 4 would be $4 at Publix, and you go to Whole Foods and it's $2.50 more, $6.50 for 4 really healthy ones. I'm gonna go for it, you know? Cut money somewhere else, not the food. The food is the most important to you. To me, I'm not gonna even say you, to me. The quality, I want quality. Especially now when they're linking everything to diet, which, I mean, it's been here forever. Oh, all right, so now I know 300 could be 250 is pretty cool. All righty, I got that. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause for you guys. I'm gonna come back when it's time to add the chicken. Okay? This way you don't sit here and watch me fry potatoes and onions. Okay, let me go shut that. Okay, my lovelies, it's time to go on to part 2. They've been cooking along with the top on. It's great. Loving it. Loving this so far. Now we're going to put in our chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. I'm going to let this get up a little bit more because now we got the meat in here. We want it to get a little higher. Look at the space. I'm in love. It's like going from a 1-bedroom to a 3-bedroom. I'm telling you. You know how I am. Love this stuff. I should love jewelry though and things like girl stuff. Well, this is girl stuff, but you know what I mean. I should be way more into shoes than a pan. But I'm not. Shoes are okay. They're fun. When I get something new, I get a thrill, but nothing like this. This is going to be with me for weeks and months and years. Look at that. All right, man. This is cool. I'm going to get all these juices out with me. Now the chicken, that's up to you guys. I'm doing it really on the spur. Just really want to play with my pan tonight. I know that's not sounding good, but I was so excited to cook something. I said, let me stay simple. And this is simple. And you can put whatever seasoning you like on your chicken thighs. Mine have a little bit of complete, garlic, salt, pepper. I put a little adobo, whatever you like. You're going to spin them to the taste and flavor profile that you like. Look at me, all chefy profile taste. But basically, I'm joking around and being silly, but if you love a Mexican flair, I have it in the thing when I do my spices. I got to go do that for you guys. You can put like adobo and cumin and make it more of a Latin flavor or Cuban or Mexican. You could go Italian and put the lemon pepper with garlic and salt and oregano and so on. I have a little bit of, I kind of cross-culture my chicken. I know that sounds weird too. I don't know what's happening to me tonight. I get in this corner and I get floury. All right, now I'm going to shut you again and we're going to pause because now everybody's going to, oh, this is fantastic. I don't know how anybody else doesn't love this. To not have to worry, you know, when you ever have a crowded pan, it's frustrating. When you can't turn things or a pasta you want to toss, a 1-pan pasta, I'm gonna be quiet. I can't tell all the great benefits of this pan. I can't. For me, it's like you gave me the tool I've been waiting for 5 years. That's what it's like for me. It's like you gave me a tool I've been waiting for forever. All right, I'm gonna let that fry away and we'll come back. Hey guys, I'm not in the shot. This is one of those things I do at the stove for you so you can see the in-between while we're moving along. They're sauteing nicely, and I want you to see how I pile up the potatoes and onions to the side so that they don't overcook while they're in the pan waiting for the chicken to catch up, you know? But I'm loving this pan. Okay guys, here's the finished product and it's absolutely delicious and I am in 7th heaven by having it done in this pan. I am thrilled like you would not believe. The chicken turned out beautiful. Look at that. Mouth watering. As always, let's plate this baby up. And like I said, I have a pot of lentil soup going in the background as well. We are going to feast tonight. And I may make up some rice if he wants for that. I doubt it. Let me put these potatoes into here. Loving this pan. Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's spoon these out, baby. They're all nice and tender. Could leave the chicken gravy to the side there. I can't say enough nice things. I'm not trying to promote nothing. Like I tell you guys, nobody sponsors me. It's not about that. This is about helping and sharing what, works. For me, that's a game changer. I had the induction over here and I could never regulate it. Maybe because I had an older one. I did. I bought it on an infomercial in the middle of the night. I couldn't sleep one night. Like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning I bought it. I mean, really 20 years ago. But it lasted all this time. Okay, let's get those beautiful and get her ready for her photo shot. Her photo shot. And I'm not going to taste it because we all know look at this is the best part. You see that? I thought it was just for the pouring. There's a curvature there for when you're pouring. Let's say I made a stew. Let me just get these because these are too good to waste. Let's say I made a stew, right? And I wanted to pour it into save for later containers or leftovers, whatever have you. This spout there, you take this apart and you pour it. But now I also learned that, look at that. Okay, it's a spoon holder. All right, guys, here she is in all her glory. Chicken thighs in my new pan. I am happy. Hope you subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.